Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some blacksmithing trivia. What is the traditional term for a blacksmith's workshop? Is it A, anvil room, or B, forge, or C, smithy, or D, hammer shop? The correct answer is C, smithy. Which tool is essential for shaping hot metal in blacksmithing? A, furnace, or B, anvil, or C, hammer, or D, tongs? The correct answer is C, hammer. What is the name of the blacksmith's furnace? Is it anvil, or B, forge, or C, kiln, or D, furnace? The correct answer is forge. In blacksmithing, what is the term for heating metal to a specific temperature to alter its properties? Is it A, forging, or B, quenching, or C, annealing, or D, tempering? The correct answer is C, annealing. What is the primary material blacksmiths work with? Is it A, steel, or B, iron, or C, bronze, or D, copper? The correct answer is B, iron. Which process involves cooling hot metal rapidly in water or oil? A, forging, or B, quenching, or C, annealing, or D, tempering? The correct answer is B, quenching. A, hammer, or B, forge, or C, anvil, or D, bellows? What is the name of the surface on which blacksmiths shape metal? The correct answer is C, anvil. Which type of hammer is most commonly used by blacksmiths? Is it A, sledgehammer, or B, ball-peen hammer, or C, mallet, or D, cross-peen hammer? The correct answer is D, cross-peen hammer. What is the term for a blacksmith who specializes in making horseshoes? Is it A, equine smith, or B, blacksmith specialist, or C, farrier, or D, horsewright? The correct answer is C, farrier. What is a common metal alloy used by blacksmiths consisting primarily of iron and carbon? Is it A, bronze, or B, steel, or C, brass, or D, aluminum? The correct answer is B, steel. What is the term for the thickness of metal being worked on? Is it A, width, or B, mass, or C, density, or D, gauge? The correct answer is D, gauge. Which type of fuel is traditionally used in a blacksmith's forge? Is it A, natural gas, or B, diesel, or C, wood, or D, coal? The correct answer is D, coal. What is the name of the tool used to hold a piece of metal while it is being worked on? Is it A, anvil, or B, clamp, or C, lathe, or D, vise? The correct answer is D, vise. What is the term for the dark oxide layer that forms on metal during heating? A, rust, or B, scale, or C, patina, or D, corrosion? The correct answer is B, scale. A, iron forge, or B, electric forge, or C, coal forge, or D, gas forge? Which type of forge uses coal or charcoal as fuel? The correct answer is C, coal forge. What is the term for a hardened steel tool used for shaping metal? Is it A, hammer, or B, anvil, or C, swage, or D, hardy? The correct answer is D, hardy. Which historical period saw significant advancements in blacksmithing techniques? Is it A. Roman Empire, B. Victorian era, C. Middle Ages, or D. Bronze Age? The correct answer is C. Middle Ages. Which part of the anvil is used for bending metal? A. Tail, or B. hardy hole, or C. face, or D. horn? The correct answer is D. horn. What is the term for shaping metal by striking it while it is hot? A. Tempering, or B. Welding, or C. Forging, or D. Casting? The correct answer is C. Forging. What is the name of the flat, smooth part of the anvil used for hammering? Is it body, or B. face, or C. plate, or D. surface? The correct answer is B. face. What is the term for a tool used to mark lines on metal? Is it A. etcher, or B. chisel, or C. stylus, or D. scribe? The correct answer is D. scribe. What is the term for a steel rod with a sharp edge used for cutting? Is it A. file cutter, or B. cold chisel, or C. cutting reamer, or D. spindle shaft? The correct answer is B. cold chisel. What is the name of the small anvil used by jewelers and watchmakers? Is it A. miniature anvil, or B. pocket anvil, or C. tinker anvil, or D. bench anvil? The correct answer is D. bench anvil. What is the term for the process of smoothing and polishing metal surfaces? Is it A. polishing, or B. abrasion, or C. buffing, or D. anodizing? The correct answer is A. polishing. Which type of hammer has a rounded head on one side? Is it A. ball-peen hammer, or B. claw hammer, or C. mallet, or D. sledgehammer? The correct answer is A. ball-peen hammer. What is the name of the tool used to create decorative patterns on metal? A. chisel, or B. stencil, or C. engraver, or D. stamps? The correct answer is D. stamps. What is the term for the process of removing sharp edges from metal? Possible solutions are A. edge trimming, or B. smoothing, or C. round offing, or D. deburring. The correct answer is D. deburring. Which blacksmithing technique involves making multiple layers of metal? A or B. pattern welding, or C. indirect riveting, or D. annealing? The correct answer is B. pattern welding. What is the name of the tool used to measure the thickness of metal? Is it A. micrometer, or B. calipers, or C. protractor, or D. thickness gauge? The correct answer is B. calipers. Which is the term for the process of joining metal pieces with solder? Is it A. soldering, or B. brazing, or C. forging, or D. welding? The correct answer is A. soldering. Which alloy is created by combining copper and zinc? A. brass, or pewter, or C. steel, or D. bronze? The correct answer is A. brass. What is the term for a long, narrow piece of metal? A. strip, or B. rod, or C. bar wire? The correct answer is C. bar. What is the name of the tool used to bend metal rods? Is it A. bending pliers, or B. bending fork, or C. metal molder, or D. shaping hammer? The correct answer is B, bending fork. What is the name of the tool used to punch holes in metal? A, chisel, or B, punch, or C, hammer, or D, drill? The correct answer is B, punch. What is the term for a blacksmith who makes armor? Is it A, metalsmith, or B, armorer, or C, ironmonger, or D, forgemaster? The correct answer is B, armorer. What is the name of the tool used to smooth metal surfaces? A, hammer, or B, chisel, or C, file, or D, anvil? The correct answer is C, file. What is the term for the process of creating intricate designs on metal? Is it A, embossing, or B, chiseling, or C, etching, or D, engraving? The correct answer is D, engraving. What is the name of the tool used to separate metal pieces? A, pliers, or B, chisel, or C, shears, or D, hammer? The correct answer is C, shears. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.